Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Channel Builder AI review. So what exactly is Channel Builder AI? Guys, Channel Builder AI is the ultimate 3-in-1 faceless channel creation, automation, ranking and training solution inside you will get. Guys, they will provide everything how to establish a YouTube and TikTok channel using this software that's called is Channel Builder AI. They will provide two high quality software. Number one is 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀 AI. Here is everything about this software 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀 AI with a quick demo. Here is everything guys that you can see. Here is the examples and here is the full demo. You must check out the demo before you skip this video. And another software they will provide, the software name is faceless reels that created by 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀. And who is the behind of this system Channel Builder AI? 4 person in the behind of this Channel Builder AI software. 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀, 𝗵𝗲𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀, Mustafa and 𝗍𝗂𝗀𝗀. I'm going to show you everything guys. And the second software is of this system faceless reel. This is the second software and first software is 𝗵𝗲𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀 AI. Here is you can see the first software. You will be able to create this kind of YouTube channel or TikTok channel easily. Okay, you can leverage new AI technology to automate simple faceless AI channels that pull in thousands exactly like these ordinary guys. Okay, you can see this channel subscriber is 6.71 million subscribers. This channel 344k subscriber. Just all the channel is faceless and automated. 2.87 subscribers. You will be able to make $20,000 every single month easily if you follow the steps of Channel Builder AI, and they will also provide a step-by-step training inside the members area, so you have no problem. And you must watch the demo. Here is the faceless reel. What is the quality of this software? When you watch the demo, when you finished all the information, then you can understand how actually works this software. Someone purchased this software, you can see. Okay, and here's a lots of information they actually share on the sales page. This is the sales page, and also 14 days money back guarantee. I will also give you guys $50 coupon code, the coupon code in my video description below. And this software Channel Builder AI goes live on 30th of April 11 a.m. EST. And you must have questions. Who is the behind? You know, behind of the software 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀, the verified vendor, top performance leader on the marketplace. 𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, he's one of the best guy. Here is you can see. To your success, Channel Builder AI founders 𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀, 𝗍𝗂𝗀𝗀𝗀, Mustafa and 𝗕𝗂𝗶𝗶𝗀𝗀𝗀, this 4 person in the behind of this software. Okay, and do you have any questions? Your answer is available here. Do you have any questions? Is there guarantee? Absolutely, 14 days money back guarantee. Here is you can see. And how is this way better than other AI tools? Channel Builder AI automates the easiest way to get traffic and sales today for the first time ever, creating faceless unique videos and channels. Faceless YouTube, TikTok and Instagram video channels are the fastest way to passive traffic and sales, and this is the only tool that automates everything for you from niche to video creation to scheduling and posting. And right now I'm gonna to show you guys pricing. This is one of the best questions. What is the price? I'm going to show you all the virtues that no one can share with you. The front end of this software has 2 licenses, like starter license and premium license. The starter license price is $27. I never recommend you can purchase this license. I only recommend you can purchase this license. But I also give you coupon $50 coupon code if you purchase the bundle deal. Bundle deal, the price is $317, but you can use $50 coupon code. Price, exact price will be $267. This is the opportunity for you. And what you will get here is everything: access to faceless reel and Magicflix AI, bonus channel training and tutorials, manual or automatic mode ability, create AI videos from prompts, create AI videos from themes, human realistic AI voiceover options, AI art themes and styles, drag and drop timeline editing, amazing transitions and effects, gigantic stock library, AI custom image creation, create and use your unique own assets, automatic posting and scheduling, create videos for multiple networks, series take organized by client and channels, connect YouTube, TikTok and Meta in both app, and connect 50 channels in both app, create 1000 videos by month in both apps, store and post 1000 videos month, commercial rights included, sell videos or channels to clients, VIP bonuses today only if you purchase this software. Okay guys, and I'm going to show you right now all the OTOs. You never purchase all the OTOs, you can purchase the bundle deal. This will save you money. The OTO number 1 is $230. Can you imagine it? You get the bundle deal price, exact price will be $267. But OTO number 1, $230. OTO number 2, $197. OTO number 3, $127. OTO number 4, the final OTOs of the software, $197. This is all the OTOs and pricing. And here is the real testimonial, okay? And you can see 14 days money back guarantee. That means you have no risk. This is the zero risk, okay? Because they will provide your money. They will give you every penny that you pay to buy this software. I never request guys you to purchase OTO by OTO. You never follow the steps. You can purchase the bundle deal. This will really save you money and time, okay? And they will also provide lots of opportunity if you purchase the bundle deal. Here is the Channel Builder AI. You can see lots of information actually share on the sales page, and you must watch guys. Please don't skip video, don't skip click the link. You must click the link and read all the information that share on the vendor on the sales page here. And you must watch the demo. Here is the demo guys about this software, how actually works this software, okay? Here is the demo. This is the
free
demo
ones that hook listeners and sell like crazy. Soon you can fully automate and rank winning faceless AI story videos and channels on YouTube, TikTok, and more, like Mr. Nightmare or Magnets Media that got millions of followers in just weeks and make thousands per month. As you'll see, it only takes 4 easy steps. First, just choose your video theme. Choose from manual mode, where you can let AI craft any idea you have into a story script and video with detailed customization, or choose automatic mode and let the app create and post multiple videos on autopilot.
Okay, you must watch this demo guys, then you can decide. If you think this is not suitable for you, then you can avoid. If you think this is perfect for you, then you can purchase. Here is some examples.
Once upon a time, in a lush green valley, there lived a kind-hearted rabbit named Ruby. With soft velvet...
You can create also kids channel. This is very much popular on YouTube. You can create philosophy video anime style.
What does it mean to live a good life in society? This question has puzzled philosophers for centuries, leading us to explore the realm of social philosophy.
In the heart of an abandoned carnival, a dilapidated house of mirrors looms, silent yet inviting. Its cracked glass...
Okay, I hope guys I have given you enough information. My one request, if you want to really make passive money, then you can try it. If you are lazy, then you can try it. If you want passive money, then you can try Channel Builder AI software, or you can avoid this software. You can avoid this opportunity. I hope you guys subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you can also feel your emotion on my comment. Just a save you. Thank you. See you soon. Our next video.